Hey, what's up? This is Seafood Cuddle, and I'm back at you with another Kung-Fu combo. Now, this Kung-Fu combo is a really solid combination. It involves a lot of signature strikes in Choi Lei Fut, and it's one of the longer combinations, but this is an excellent one for waist rotation training. So, let's get to work. Now, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to start opposite because I want to step in with a grab first, and then I'm going to pull through with a big hooking so chui, okay? So again, starting from here, I'm going to reach out and grab. I can also pivot this foot and step, 1, 2. Now I'm going to follow back up with a thrusting biu zhong. Come back to a cat stance, transfer to a chunao position, grab from here, step back in, say peng ma chop. Now I'm going to pull this hand back, hua chang into a twist position, and then zhong here. Okay, so again, I have my step grab, so come back through, block, grab, punch, 1, 2, and then the uppercut. Okay, so again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the other side, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is a great combination to develop waist rotation. So really exaggerate everything you do with the waist. And as I'm doing stuff with my front shoulder, I should feel my back shoulder move. That way, I know I'm getting my actual waist rotation. All right, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also be sure to subscribe and check out my Patreon. I'll leave the link in the description below. Till next time, this is Seafood Cuddle.
Bam! Fist with a faux hawk.